Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yazan. I am a professional photographer with more than 50 years of experience. In this video, I will show you how to develop black and white film. I first did it when I was 11 years old. I filmed my first report of building opposite my home caught fire. This remained the most valuable for me. It was my first experience without any knowledge. I observed my father, a professional photographer who had created a darkroom at home. Photography began with the discovery of a light-sensitive chemical for recording the image. This chemical is the metal silver. The discovery was made by the German Dr. Johann Scholz in 1727. He mixed chalk, silver, and nitric acid. The mixture exposed to sunlight changed its color from white to purple. The era of modern photography began in 1887. George Eastman introduced the Kodak system, in which silver halide in a gelatin dispersion was coated on a cellulose nitrate base and loaded into a camera. Since light forms black-silver, the camera image is recorded in negative tones. Highlights in black and shadows in white. Black and white film is made up of three layers: a light-sensitive emulsion layer, a plastic strip to support the emulsion, and an anti-halation layer designed to capture light that has come through the emulsion and plastic and prevent it from bouncing back. The most important tool for developing is a light-proof processing tank. Made either of plastic, containing a reel with a spiral groove to hold the film in place. Graduated measuring cylinders. Mixing jugs. Funnel. Thermometer. Empty bottles. And process timer. Wash all the containers and mixing equipment thoroughly under running water. Use ordinary household detergent to help clean, never anything stronger. We start work when the equipment is dry. Arrange the chemicals in the order they are to be used. How do we mix the chemicals? Each concentrated chemical has its proportion written on it. For the developer it is 1+9, which is -1 part chemical and 9 parts water. Start by diluting the concentrate in a small graduate. 300 milliliters of solution is required to develop one film. For the developer, mix 30 milliliters of concentrate with 270 milliliters of water. Add water to 300 milliliters and mix the solution gently. You should also do this for the stop bath and fixer. For a stop bath, mix 15 milliliters of concentrate with 285 milliliters of water. For a fixer, mix 60 milliliters of concentrate with 240 milliliters of water. Pour individual liquids into bottles and label them clearly. To unload the captured film, first press the rewind button. You may immediately let go of it. Then turn the rewind crank in the direction of the arrow until the frame counter, which counts backwards as you rewind, reaches S. Then open the back cover, remove the film cartridge, and have it developed as soon as possible. This process is done in the dark. I show what you should do when you are in the darkroom. Cut the film, then cut off the corners to make the film easier to load. Once the film is slotted smoothly beneath the lugs, operate the self-load mechanism by turning the two sides of the spiral alternately to and fro. If the film sticks, wiggle it sideways a little or pull the film back out a few inches and start again. Never force the film. When all the film is in the spiral, snip off the spool. We developing. Pour in the developer quickly. We transform the hidden image into a visible one, making it permanently insensitive to light. The developer converts by reducing the silver halides to meta silver. Start the timer. Agitate thoroughly during development. Pour out the developer into the bottle. Followed by a short bath with clean water. During the entire process, use rubber gloves, they will protect you from allergies. We pour a stop bath, it neutralizes the alkaline developer and stops the development. It takes from 10 to 30 seconds. Again we make a bath in clean water. Next pour in the Ilford Rapid Fixer solution. Start the clock as you finish pouring, then agitate, as you did during development until fixation is complete. This will take 3 minutes. Stand the tank in a sink, tap water right into the of the tank to wash the film. Or use Ilford Wash Aid, this will help to save you both time and water. With the blades of a squeegee stroke, run down the film to remove all the excess water from the surface. Once the film is dry, cut it into strips 6 frames long. Use cotton gloves. Slide the strips immediately into protective sleeves, the negative is protected from dust and scratches. Write where, when, and who is the photos. In the next episode, I will unbox my old Opimus. It is a perfect enlarger and I will show you how to print photos. See you soon.